Good morning. So today I'm going to get my laptop battery changed because according to the guy last time my laptop battery life is at 30%, and he says usually when it's at 60% he recommends people to get it changed. So mine is way past that, and so I'm gonna go get it changed today. So I was able to get these government-funded masks, and every week per person you can get 2 masks, and I think they're like 1,500 each. So in total you pay 3,000 won. And yeah, sometimes it's a real struggle to get them. Like you have to line up and stuff. But I was able to come to this, not this one, but the pharmacy behind it, and yeah, they were in stock and they had a lot, so I got the medium ones. I'm not sure if they will fit, but yeah, I'm happy I was able to get them. Gosh, this car is so cute and I love the color. It's a Fiat. I want this car. Wow, look how pretty. Everywhere. Oh my gosh, look at this. So many cherry blossoms. So pretty. This is insane. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So many everywhere. Yes, finally the beauty box is here. I've just put this paper there to cover my address, but let's open it. No. Can't do it with the one hand, so 왜?
이거 빼려고 했으면 또
어머! 어머, 어떡해?
모르진 않아.
Anyways. Yay. Oh. So pretty. Tickles. I don't know how to open this. One sec, we'll be back. Ta-da! Hey, beautiful. Book. So we have this one. We have this. Woo! So excited. This is everything. All these amazing products. Oh. Ta-da!
영어로 뭔지 알아?
뭐야?
내가 그 설명 못하겠지만 결국적으로는 포트가
포트?
포트 알지? 포트가 캐틀이 검다고 욕을 한다는 거.
똥 묻은 겨가.
똥 묻은 개가 벼 묻은 개를 욕한다고.
근데 그게 왜 캐틀이야?
아니 그러니까 영어 표현으로는 포트가 캐틀이 검다고 그렇게 얘기한다는 거야. 지가 포트는 이 왜 여기에 막 불 이렇게 해가지고 검잖아. 근데 지가 검은 건 생각 안 하고 캐틀이 검다고 그러는 그 영어 표현이 있더라고. 그래서 우리가 막 웃다가
도와줄까?
힘들다 이거. 뚜껑 막기. 올 수가 없어.
그거 뭐지? 다 익은 거 어디 가면은 그런 거 팔던지 그거 막는 거.
지금 깔 수가.
Too late.
제발 그런 얘기는 하지 마. 밥에다 말아 먹으면 맛있겠다.
So this morning I went to get my laptop battery changed, and now even when I unplug, it doesn't turn off. Yes, you can see that the battery's still in full. If it will focus, or even if it won't, you can still see it, which is super nice. Yeah, watching a vlog by Two Hearts One Soul.